I'm going to show you a way that I use ChatGPT for. This is the subscription service. Hopefully this example will give you ideas of things that you could do with ChatGPT. I need to know the difference between the different types of services that are offered in K-12 education. So I'm going to ask it to make a table to compare the attributes of IEPs, 504s, MTSS, and academically gifted services. Include governance, requirements, eligibility. You don't have to spell right, so don't worry about it. Parent involvement, etc. And the etc., it'll come up with some categories on its own. And now finding all this information, these are all services that can be given to students in public education. And I need to know what's the difference between these things so I can help parents understand what is appropriate when. Funding, legal protections. See, these are categories I didn't ask for, and it just came up with them. And I have my settings set so that it always gives me citations for where it gets its information. And see, I could click on these and it takes me to the source where it got this information. And you can copy this table out and just paste it in a Word document. I could ask it more information about these things. Let me ask it, make a table showing the demographic characteristics of each category. Are they the same? Do they reflect the overall demographics? I want to know if the general population is equally likely to be given any of these services, or are they more likely? IEPs, more males than females. MTSS is balanced. Lower income, more likely to have a IEP. Middle and upper income, 504s. And here's the answer to my questions. And here's the citations for the demographic information. And see, this took 3 minutes to do this. And I've got a table of all these attributes of the different service types that public school students can get with all this information about them to compare and contrast. I've got citations. I've got information about the demographics. And now I can ask it, let's say I want to paste this in a paper. Give me the references in APA style. APA style is the style that educators generally use. So here it's taking all those sources that it gave me, and it's making me a bibliography. And see, all of this took less than 5 minutes. So this is one of the uses. This is one of the ways that I use ChatGPT. And getting this information would have taken me a long time. And I know that it would because I've needed this information in the past. And I don't think I ever came up with this clear of a comparison of these different characteristics or these different services.